Hello ChoroQ fans, today we have ChoroQ number 06 of the standard line I believe. It's from 2005. It's a Suzuki Fronte, which is a K-Class rear-engine car from yesteryear. I did actually a review of the 1/64 scale made by I think Konami, and if you want to search that out you can. Let's get this thing open if I can. Well, forget the tape, we're just going right through the cardboard. What I like is they put a little film of plastic on here. That's to help keep the packaging from scratching it further. Although I do think it didn't matter. Maybe it doesn't matter because that roof looks scratched. Oh well. Seems to have been helped on the other models I've gotten, but I'm always proven wrong by this hobby. There's a lot of dust going on though. Weird. There's a little paper here. It's like a membership fin or something. Okay, so let's see what they got in this cartoon deformation. I gotta say that front end looks pretty close to the photograph there. The wheels, well, they're stamped steel standard wheels from ChoroQ. They're kind of close to the wheels here in this side profile. You can see, even though this is a K-Class car, this is shrunken quite a bit. It's definitely squished down. And then here's the rear view, which has got two rectangular lights, or actually four. Just not painted that way. Okay. Well, let's see what else we got in here. This brown color, there's no metallic flake that I can see. It's just a standard brown. It's got a little orange peel on it too. Not the best paint application. This white film on the tires doesn't matter, you just wipe it off and it's fine. The smoked canopy, yep, there you go. It's pretty dark smoke. We got some vents for the engines here. The door handle, the panel cuts are really tight. Yeah, the silver headlights is well painted as well as these fog lights. Unfortunately, there's no silver paint here on this badge. That would have been nice. And then I guess these must be turn signals. No orange paint there. But this is a standard ChoroQ, so I'm sure this was pretty cheap when it was new. We got some vents up here in the hood, and then you can see a little bit of the motor through the smoked canopy. So yeah, actually that film may have not made a difference because I feel like there's scratches here, right? Some vents again, more for because it's a rear-engine car. It's nice that it tells you what the car is and where it is in the series. And then, yeah, 2005, standard construction of a screw and a tab. There's a tiny bit of an exhaust here molded into the base here. It's clear though. And that is that. I think it's yeah, it's a clear body, and then it's just painted brown. So not bad. Some minor scratches, but I can live with it for something that's 16 years old. Let's compare it to a couple of models, including that 1/64 scale that I reviewed a ways back. Reading the bottom of this, yeah, it's a Konami, and I believe this car was available between 1971 and 1976. So you'll see the Konami actually has realistic wheels, like the photographs. And then, yeah, being a K-Class car, it would have a small engine and be a small vehicle, so this ChoroQ just dwarfs it. So let's pull out a couple other Suzuki ChoroQs now. I got this R2. No, that's a Subaru. Never mind. Suzuki Alto Works. That's a cool one. That says ChoroQ 0. There's this crazy Pikes Peak hill climb vehicle. That's from Mobile 1. I don't know. The packaging just said Mobile 1, like the oil company. And then this is a Suzuki Cappuccino. I believe it's called a Cappuccino with some Hot Wheels wheels on it. And that's by Wanda Coffee. And another brown one is a Suzuki MR Wagon with some aftermarket wheels meant for Hot Wheels. So, my Suzuki collection is expanding. Alright, let's let this guy spin on its own. You know, I might do a wheel swap. I like this car enough. Alright, well I swapped over some wheels. I can't tell you what brand made these wheels. I just got them in a grab bag of wheels, but they have exposed axles, so I kind of have to think they were from Major Ed or Hot Wheels or Matchbox, one of those brands. Alright, I did repaint them silver, and then went and added a little bit of black paint to the vent on this thing, and also some orange on those turn signals, and a little silver on that front badge. I think it worked out well. Alright, well, thanks for checking this video out, and see you in the next one. Bye.